Well, let us see what is the next best thing that Blender has to offer us. With that being said, and then let me show you what I have prerequisitely done here. I have taken the layer brush and created two strokes inside File, New and Sculpting mode. We are now going to see all the orange brushes, smooth with the help of which we can smoothen out the ridges or the valleys, which can be easily accessed even if other brush is selected. Like for example, I have selected clay brush and clay strips brush, and if I click and drag, this is how the brush is going to act. Now if I tap and hold shift on the keyboard and click and drag, the smooth is activated by default. So that's one of the wonderful thing that Blender developers have provided us with. And flatten, as the name says, it will flatten the part. You can also see the image over here. If I click and drag over here, it is going to flatten that surface and make it as flat as it can. So if you see from here, it has flattened it out. The next thing is fill brush. Whenever you have a ridge or a valley like structures, then you can fill it with clay or the material or the object. So with the help of fill, we can do this thing. And for those who want to get a clear understanding, you can also see over here there is two strokes, and within the two stroke there is one fill stroke is been provided here. So that's for fill. And scrape means taking out a part, scraping it off. So there are these three strokes, and here it has been scraped off. Now for example, let me show you what can be done with the help of scraping. With the help of scrape, we can remove a part of the stroke. This is how scrape will work. So I hope you are liking the way these videos are going. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, and leave a wonderful comment. And if you want, you can support me by looking all the videos completely which are following on these videos. And if you want to financially support me, you can go on the Patreon's page. Links will be given in the description, or you can support me through Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm by the number 86006477757. So with that being said and done, try to see it, learn it, understand it. I will see you in the next video.
Veda.